Today's Hindu editorial that we are going to discuss is Digital Disconnect. The full report of NSO Survey of Household Social Consumption on Educational India for July 2017 and 2018 highlights the poor state of computer and internet access in several states. Disparities are glaring among different economics at rate as well. A digital chasm as separates the privileged from the divide remains the unbridged years after the evident during the pandemic as students struggle to log on to the online classes as many of the schools are running their classes in online, and many students are not able to log into the computers as they lack of devices or lack of internet, as they used to log in from their villages, so they can't log in into the classes, and they can't attend to the classes due to the lack of accessories or internet. So many of the students have been in villages, so they cannot attend the online classes, and also only in Delhi, Himachal Pradesh and Kerala did the survey of finding internet access exceeding 50% for urban and rural households taken together, while Punjab, Haryana and Uttarakhand exceeded 40%, unimpressive numbers still. Large states like Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka had access below 20%. And in today's milieu, not access is critical, considering that even where mobile phones and laptops are available in some states, used in the absence of, if net connectivity is 5% or to 10% in rural Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and West Bengal. So only a slim minority work can be help in doing these all activities. In doing all these activities, many remote locations have problems and also power defects, as many villages have been facing the problems of lack of electricity. So due to lack of electricity, there is no internet, and also they cannot log into their classes which are held by their schools. Prime Minister Modi has been said to acknowledge the villages to the internet connections by the fiber cables in 1,000 days, as he said on the Independence Day, as every village get their internet connections by the fiber wires, electrical wires, and also this would be completed in 1,000 days. He said that it would completed in 1,000 days. In 1,000 days, he could complete this internet connection to villages. This target is reflecting to the enchanting of the fiber connections, and also to the political leaders, and also in the panchayats for the fiber connections to make in the villages. They are also asking for the panchayat leaders who are there for each village, panchayat leaders who are there in each village. They have successfully dropped a ball for having these fiber networks in their villages. So they have successfully had a plan to do it, but states did not show alacrity to make a big means to make a big leap for all the states, and also not to not to give any internet problems to all the states, and also have internet without any buffering. So they are states have been not trying for the internet connections, but government has been working for the internet connections in villages. Internet connections in villages, as cities also have internet connections, but also somewhat less. So they are trying only in villages for the internet access. As such, these efforts have been launched in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, and also these all projects have been taken in the COVID-19 pandemic situation. So they said they have been awake in COVID-19 pandemic. But some companies in India have made a valuable message that they could talk in the government, and also they can use to distribute the computers, refurbished computers, and they said that government should make a means government needs to make a program for this, and they said they could distribute the computers, distribute the computers. And this is our today's editorial. Thank you.